And going along with the call from the Biden administration, the Yellowstone County Department of Health and Human Services also recommends a third dose of the vaccine. Q2's David J. has more from the Yellowstone County Health Officer.
The recommendation is to take a third shot for those who have received the Pfizer or Moderna COVID-19 vaccine.
You're certainly more protected after the second dose, and it's about 95%. But what appears to be happening is over time that immunity wanes a little bit, which is why the third dose is now being recommended for 8 months out. It's just another dose. It's really a third dose of the same thing. Ideally, what people to do is if they got their first 2 doses were Pfizer, we want them to get a Pfizer third dose. If their first 2 doses were Moderna, we want them to get a Moderna. The Johnson & Johnson is at this point a 1-dose vaccine, and there hasn't been a recommendation come out for what to do with boosters of that.
At this time, only those with compromised immune systems can take the third dose. And for everyone, there is a little bit of a time frame they have to keep in mind before they get that third dose.
There's kind of 2 sets of booster decisions that have been made. One is for people who are immune compromised, that they should get a third dose of either the Pfizer or the Moderna at least 28 days after their second dose. The second one that came out is a more general third dose booster for those same 2 products, and that is recommended 8 months after the second dose. So that will really start around the 20th of September.
Yellowstone County Health Officer John Felton says about 95% have come back for the booster shots, and he expects that will be the same for the third shot.
There's pretty good protection that's conferred by that first dose. It gets better with the second dose, and then the third dose we believe will maintain that protection for a longer period. The studies will be ongoing with that initial population so that we can really see over time what happens to the immunity level.
In Billings, David J., MTN News.
Thanks, David. Here in Yellowstone County, RiverStone Health has 2 more free vaccination clinics scheduled for the rest of August. The first is this Friday, August 20th at RiverStone Health's Lil Anderson Center. That will run from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. The final clinic this month is slated for Monday, August 30th. That's also from 11 to 1. More clinics are scheduled in September, and that information is on our story online on ktvq.com.